Hey guys, welcome back. I'm so excited. I have some super awesome info to share with you guys. But I do want to also tell you this is going to be a little bit of a different video. I am, as you can see, using Peppi products. And not only will I not be using gel in this video, I'm not using an e-file. That's right, not using an e-file. Matter of fact, I'm not even using a file. This is going to be a video where if you're looking for the absolute simplest way to get a dip powder mani and you don't want to buy a whole bunch of equipment, you know, like I use my e-file and stuff, this is the video you want to watch. I just got the starter kit from Peppi Gel along with a fluffy brush from Peppi, and I'm using a cuticle stick. That's it. That's literally all I'm using in this video. I want to talk to you a little bit real quick and let you know my exciting news, and that is that Peppi and I have teamed up, and I will now be doing Instagram TV videos for Peppi once a week. So if you want to check out that series, which is not going to be dissimilar from, you know, what I normally do here on YouTube, it'll just be a little bit different over on Peppi's Instagram. So I'm going to leave, you know, links for the products that I'm using, which will be a short list. I will also, like always, leave my Amazon favorites list in the description box. And I'm also going to leave Peppi's Instagram handle down here for you in case you want to hop over there and check out some of the stuff I'm doing over there. I'm going to try to incorporate as much onto my YouTube channel as possible. Because it's a weekly series, I'm not sure how much I'll be able to, you know, spread over here to the YouTube world, but I will do my best because I know that not everybody has Instagram. So without further ado, I'm going to get right into the Peppi Cure. So as you can see, I'm just taking the step one, which is ready, and it's the dip base, applying it to my entire nail, and I'm going to go ahead and dip into my color, which is tipsy. Tipsy. I literally just woke up. I don't know why I think it's a good idea to do voiceovers first thing in the morning when I've literally had 3 sips of coffee. Not smart, Marla. Dipping into my color, which is Tipsy Flamingo. I'm going to run around the edge of my my cuticle line with the orange wood stick. And I'm going to do this also on my index finger. And then you're going to see me do my second dip and a clear cap. I'll speed through the whole process for you. Wait till you see the end result without an e-file and without a hand file. I was kind of shocked a little bit. This is uncomfortable for me because I'm so used to doing what I do, but it actually came out pretty freaking great. So hang out and watch for a little bit. I may pop in here and there, but I will be back with you guys in just a bit. Just so you guys that may be newer, hey new guys, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, you should because it's free and I'm not going to take your money, I swear, and because we have a little fun here. So definitely subscribe. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It does help me out, so I would appreciate it. But wanted to let you know I'm just doing my second dip exactly the same way as I did my first dip. I do go all the way to my cuticle. I don't touch my skin at all, but I get as close to the cuticle as I can without touching it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that on my thumb and on my index finger, and then I'm going to do a coat of clear exactly the same way, not changing anything up. And then I'm going to speed through the rest of my nails, and we'll get into some buffing and light filing. So stick around and I will be right back. Wanted to just jump back in real quick while I speed through the rest of my application and just let you guys know some of the stuff I have coming up. I like to keep you guys updated so you can get excited about what I have coming up next. I think, unless something changes, my next mani is going to be something Disney themed. I haven't filmed it yet as I'm doing this voiceover, so that may change, but I'm fairly certain I'll be doing some sort of Disney mani. I have a lot of awesome ideas for it. It's not going to be complicated. I'm going to try to keep it simple. Try. So I have that coming up. Also, I believe a week from today is going to be my favorite things. I'm going to do my favorite things and maybe my nail area tour, something or another. Unless I post it early. If I post it early, then y'all have already seen it. But if not, it'll come about a week from the day this video uploads. So that's a couple of the things that I have coming up. I also have some transfer foils that I got. I know a lot of you have been requesting transfer foil videos, and you know, at first I was like, do I want to do foils? That just seems like a lot, you know, like I can do nail art or stamping or whatever. But I did some research and I found, oh, stop it, Daryl. Daryl like hisses and runs away. Excuse me. I don't know, I think I'm getting a cold. 'Tis the season, right? Anyway, I did a little research on these transfer foils and I did wind up finding some gorgeous transfer foils. So I grabbed some of those. So yeah, I think I'll be doing a video on the foils soon too. So I'm gonna let you watch me clear cap for a minute and I'll come back when I'm gonna clear cap, I'm gonna activate, and I'll come back for filing, I think. I may pop in sooner. I'm gonna try not to. I'm gonna try to let you watch for a little bit. So I'll be right back. All right, I stuck to my word. I didn't interrupt you while you were watching. You're welcome. So now I have this buffer. You get this buffer in the Peppi starter kit, and it's a very rough buffer. And I found that I could actually easily use this to file. It's a little bit cumbersome, like it's big, you know, it's a big block. But it does get your sidewalls pretty good. So I am literally only using this buffer block to do my shaping around the sidewalls and the free edge. And then I'm going to run it over the entire nail and get it nice and smooth for top coat. So I'm going to let you guys watch me buff out my nails real quick. And there will be no e-filing today. So I apologize to my girls that live for my e-filing. Not today. I wanted to keep this as simple as possible. and with the least amount of stuff as possible. If you're looking for, you know, legit the easiest way to do nails that don't look terrible, they're not perfect, you know. Like I find with my e-file, I can get them perfect, but they're pretty darn good. So if you're looking for a really, really simplistic way to do your nails with very minimal product use, this is it. So now that I've gotten my free edge and my sidewalls pretty much good and they're shaped the way I like them, I'm going to go ahead and buff over the whole nail, and I'll be right back with some activator and top coat. So stick around, I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I've buffed over all the nails and they're all perfectly smooth, I'm going to go in with my step 2, which is set. It's the activator. I'm going to do one, generish-ish. I'm going to do one generish-ish. Oh my god. You know what I'm saying. I'm not even going to try a third time. One more layer of the activator, and I'm going to let it dry for 2 minutes, and then we're going to go in with top coat. Now, as you guys probably know, I don't like dip top coats, and I don't like them because I find they can be super finicky, and I am reckless. I'm reckless, I am irresponsible, and I'm a general hot mess when it comes to dip top coat. But I think I found a good method of using the dip top coat here. I am rubbing off as much excess activator off my nails as possible after I let it dry for about 2 minutes. And now I'm going to go in with my step 3 shine, which is the top coat. So, top coat. I know you heard me say this once before on my other Peppi video, which I'll link over here somewhere. But, A, you need to move kind of quick on your first layer because it does come in contact with activation stuff, which can make the brush hard. So you want to move kind of quick on your first layer, wiping off your brush really well before you dip back into the activator jar. And I find that if you do this, not just for the first layer of top coat, but also for the second layer of top coat, you have a pretty good chance of salvaging your top coat and getting a good result. Now, for those of you who don't know what this top coat is or does, let me fill you in. It is essentially the same exact formula as your dip base. It is glue, it is resin. And what the activator does, that second layer of activator you put on after you buff your nail, it activates the top coat. So the first layer of top coat gets activated by the activator and it sets real quick. And it does dry kind of matte. When you put your second layer of top coat on, it takes a little bit longer to dry. Not long, maybe 2 to 3 minutes tops. But it will also shine glossy because you put that layer of top coat down, underneath before it, previously. So that's kind of the science. I don't know anything about chemistry. I know nothing about what ingredients actually are in these products. I mean, I've looked at them. Do I know what they are or can I pronounce them? Heck no, I don't know. And I'm not trying to find out because I don't care that much. But I do, you know, always try to figure out exactly how products work, because I find that if you can figure out how and why products work the way that they do, you can better use them. I use the analogy of like a mechanic. If you can figure out how a transmission works, you can probably fix it if you fuck it up. Ooh, I just dropped the F-bomb. My bad. I'm gonna try not to do that again. But yeah, so these are the finished results. I put on some cuticle oil. I use my Katie skincare as I usually do. Then you guys have to let me know what you thought. Let me know if this seems like something that is easy for you guys to do. Let me know if it's something you guys want to try. I'm not using the e-file. It did take way less time than, you know, using the e-file and doing all the extra steps that I did. But, you know, let me know. Let me know your thoughts. And I will see you guys in the next vid. Love you. Bye.